Hey, this is Vic JC, a channel born to help you change your lifestyle. So the Amazon FBA Small and Light program is an alternative to the Amazon FBA program. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Amazon FBA Small and Light is and how you can go about making money with it. It's actually really surprising how many people do not know about Amazon FBA Small and Light. I'm also going to be using a product research tool, which you probably already know about, Jungle Scout, to show you how you can actually go about finding these products to use the Amazon FBA Small and Light program. And as far as I'm aware, I think this is the only video or one of very few videos that actually show you how to find products and make money using the Amazon FBA Small and Light. So this is the premiere. So Amazon FBA Small and Light provides a much cheaper option for products that are small and light that are selling for under $15. So Amazon FBA Small and Light offers a much cheaper option for products that are extremely fast selling, so high quantity in sales, and that are very small and light, and that are priced under $15. It gives Amazon customers free standard shipping, and that's whether they are a Prime customer or if they are not. So how is this different to the Amazon FBA program? Well, the criteria is different, and you must meet this criteria in order to get into the Amazon FBA Small and Light program. So here's what you need. Each unit must weigh less than 1 pound, which is less than 15 ounces. The dimensions of the product must be less than 16 by 9 by 4 inches at the maximum. The selling price of the product should be $15 or less, and you'll also find that the preparation requirements for the product are slightly different. For example, you need to put all of your products in a clear plastic bag, and all of the labeling will be slightly different. And I will show you where you can find all of this information. And the biggest benefit of all is the FBA fees are different. So let's jump into the laptop and let me show you exactly what that looks like and how you can use the product research tool Jungle Scout to find that product. So this is the difference between the FBA Small and Light fees and the standard FBA fees. So if you can see here on the left, the order handling, the picking and packing, and the weight handling is actually a lot lower than the standard Amazon FBA fee. So you'll get a slightly different pricing structure for anything that's sold less than $5 or anything from $5 to $15. And the only difference is the order handling, which is 80 cents for less than $5 or $1 for anything selling between $5 and $15. Other than that, picking and packing is 75 cents per unit. And then the weight handling is 11 cents per ounce, up to the 15 ounces, which is the 1 pound weight, which is the criteria to be in small and light. So as you can see, the FBA standard fee is $2.41 per unit, up to 1 pound. Now, if your product weighs more than that, it's obviously going to be more than that. Now, remember, this small and light program is based around having high volume of sales. So you need to be selling a lot of units every single day, every single week, every single month. So it would be a high moving, high shifting product that you would be selling. So let's look at a couple of examples quickly, and then I'll show you exactly how to find these products and how you can go about making money with them. So if we go around down here and look at this example, so let's take a 5-unit order, for example, over here. So somebody orders 5 units of a product that is non-media and weighs 4.3 ounces. Well, in standard FBA terms, that would cost $12.05. And as you can see, with the Small and Light program, it will cost you $7.50. Now remember, this is all about high volume. So the more you sell, the more savings you are going to make. So this game is all about the high volume. So if you want more information about this detail, I'll put a link in the description to this website and also another part of Amazon's website that will give you information on how you go about signing up to the program. So how do you go about making money from it? So let's go on to Jungle Scout. So when you go into Jungle Scout, make sure you go onto the left here, you find products and click on the product database. So let's go and find some products, and I'll show you the criteria that you need to put that in. Let's move me down over there. So you quickly select your categories. So I'm going to quickly select some random ones that we could possibly use. You would select the standard product tier. You'd make sure you put a maximum price of $15 because that's one of the criteria. Now remember, this is about high volume sales, so you could either put a number of sales on here or you could put a certain amount of revenue. I like to use the revenue box here, so I'm going to start off with 10,000. If you find too many products, you can put that higher. If you find too less products, you can put that lower as well. Maximum amount of reviews, I usually go with 100, or you could bring it down to 50, and the maximum weight would be 1 pound. Now, the only information you don't have on this page is the dimensions of the product, the size of the product, but I will tell you exactly how you can go about getting that information. So what you can see here is there are a ton of products that you can look at. One of the products that I want to look at is this thing over here. Let's open that one out and I'll go into that, and let's see if I can find another one. Let's check this out as well. So as you can see, this one only has 95 reviews, really low weight. They're selling $1,400 a month and making $18,497. It's definitely something I would want to look at. So make sure you check out all of these products. I advise all of my students to pick at least 10 products that you can move forward with, so you can actually start contacting suppliers and get prices. And with that method, they are able to find so many products that they're able to actually pick from and move forward with. So let's check out the two that we have over here. So as you know, this is less than $15, and what we can do to find the size is look at the product information over here. So you can see the information over here, and it looks like it does meet the criteria of FBA small and light. Let's go back and check that. So FBA small and light is 16 by 9 by 4 inches, and that actually meets the criteria. So this would be eligible for FBA small and light. Then all you would do is further analyze this product. You can use Jungle Scout Chrome extension. It will tell you all of the information that you need. As you can see, they are making $10,000 every single month. They're making 27 sales a day and 1,000 monthly sales. By the way, if you do want any of the Jungle Scout products or the Jungle Scout Pro extension, I do have a $20 off link in the description, so check that out if that's something that you're looking for or you haven't bought just yet. They are about to change the Jungle Scout Pro extension to a yearly subscription, so make sure you get that now. I think I'm one of the very few people who have the link available for the $20 off and the one-time payment, so make sure you check that out. Right, so as we know, this is making $10,000 a month. They're probably paying next to nothing, so the margin is probably really good on something like this. I mean, if they're making $10,000 every month, they should be taking home at least $3,000 to $4,000 in profit. Now let's check out the next one. This is a bottle nipple collars ring new. I don't exactly know what it is, but you can obviously look into that and find out what's best. And all you need to do is just check the information over here again. You can see that the package dimensions meet the criteria. So you got the just under 6 by 3 by 1.4, and that definitely meets the criteria. How much does it weigh? 0.64 ounces. It'll be incredibly cheap to actually ship something like this over, so make sure you look into this product as well. There's tons of products that you can sell like this and make money. So as I mentioned before, this product is making a good amount of money. They are selling just under $30,000 every single month. However, I've just noticed that the price is above. So what you could do is, instead of offering 6, you could maybe offer 3 or 4 and drop the price to under $15. So you're eligible for FBA small and light. So I hope this video was useful to you. Any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you smack that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon so you know when I'm releasing new videos. And make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. I will see you in the next video. And if you want an over-the-shoulder guide, a step-by-step tutorial, 50+ videos with trackers, templates, and checklists, all done for you, make sure you check out the full works package that I have available, which also includes my personal mentorship. So you will have me as your personal mentor or coach to guide you through the process. So why is mentorship so important, and why do I add that to the full works package? Well, as you go through the course, you will find that you will come across various different questions and may come across various different hurdles that you will need support with. And I am there to support you and make sure you get through it. And I want to see you succeed. So if you want to check it out, it's the first link in the description. Check it out and see if this is something that you're interested in and if it's for you. And also check out my other videos.